Dear learners, now we are going to learn about design section. So here, if we go here, we'll get the option design section. This is the most important part, or the more important part of our Microsoft PowerPoint, because the more you design perfectly, the more it will look like beautiful. So I'll take another new slide, and here I will start designing. Now I'll go to design option. Just see they have some option, it's called themes. So first of all, we will work with themes. So if you click here, our theme here, it will be default, I mean black and white. If you again click here, it will be default. Just see they have option, I mean the template, it's available here. If you click, it will come here. Again, if you want to change, you can change any template as per your requirement. Okay, and also if you click here, you can add any template what you want actually. Then here, you can click on any template. Even click here for more template or more work. Okay, so this is the way to select any kinds of theme you actually need. This is the default theme available here, and also you can browse for theme. So if you have any saved theme, or you can download Microsoft theme from internet. Okay, so if I search on internet, like just see I have searched on Google with MS PowerPoint themes free download, and they have many options to download. Just pause PowerPoint theme templates, free presentation template, but I'll go here. They have some first website, and I'll check what is available here. Just see they have many beautiful presentation available, and from here you can download the required presentation or the required template actually. So if I go here with that template, just see they have a nice presentation, and I'll close it. This is advertisement, sorry. So if I just come here, they have many template, and if I click here, see that number of download, and if I click here download template, so wait for that, I will just skip. So here I have clicked on download, and here I'll download it. Okay, I'll close it, and from here I just go here, and if I go browse for themes, I'll go to desktop, and they have a option and apply. Now if I check here, is this on available here or not? Just see. Okay, I'll close, and I'll go here. Okay, so here you can see they have a presentation, and in this way you can find out any kinds of template or anything actually you need as per requirement. Okay, in later I will show you that how we can create these types of presentation, no problem. So that is the way to create or to insert any types of presentation as per your requirement. I mean presentation theme or design theme. So after that, if you want to change the color or background style, we'll in next part we'll learn about that. Now we have learned about that how we can select any themes we need for our presentation or project work. But if we need to change its background, change its color, we need to customize that. How we can do that? So for that we use variants option. So in variants option, you can change the background color. They have some default color available, and also we can click here for color, and you can select any types of color as per your requirement. And again, if we go here, then font. So actually, as we didn't write anything, this option will not work at this time. And then effect. So also this will not work, but we can go for background color. and they have some background color. And if we click here format background, so as previous we have planned about that, we can go for solid, then gradient, texture or picture fill. Okay, then from here you can select the texture as per your requirement, then transparency, how you want to show it, just see here. And also you can insert from your PC. Then pattern, they have many kinds of pattern, and also you can go for different types of color with different types of formation. It's totally depend on you. So I'll go for Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Okay, so this is the way to use our that variation option for your project work. So we'll create some professional presentation, and then we'll create some professional template or professional card by using Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you will learn about that how we can create a professional things with this software. Okay, so thank you very much. Dear learners, when we go for some work, first of all, what we need actually, we need paper size or the size of template, size of it will be horizontal or it will be vertical. We need that. So how we can modify that? First of all, what we do actually, we'll come here, we'll take a new blank presentation or blank file here, and then I'll go design option, and then I'll go customize. From customize, I'll go for slide. Just they have a standard. If you click here, and they have insert fit or maximize. So I'll just go here, maximize. Just see here the slide we have taken, that is 4:3 have been selected for all of our project work. And again, if I go here for wider skin 16:9 ratio, then I'll get a skin here. But if I need a customize or any types of other page or other format, then how we can do that? I'll just first of all, I'll go suppose for white or any other color, suppose. Okay, let's go for it. Now I'll delete it, no need that at this time. Now I'll go here and we'll go for customize slide size. I'll click here, and from customize slide size, they have some option, the width and height. You can select the width and height of your slide as usual, but we can go for some fixed data. That means for if you go for A3 page, A4 page, ISO B4, ISO B5, that means the size are also mentioned for letter 8.5 into 11 inch. Then for A3, A4 page, the all types of option are available here. Then overhead, banner, on screen show 16:9, on screen show 16:10. Then wider skin, customize customs. If you click custom, then we can provide that value as per our requirement. But they have some default format. If we need a paper size letter, I mean letter paper here, if you want to work with some paper, that size will be like in letter paper, or that size will be like in A4 page. And if you click here with what will be the slide orientation, okay, the landscape or portrait. And they have another option for notes, hand notes and outline. So it will be portraits or landscape, no problem. But how you want to show your slide, if you take the landscape, your maximize, your page will be like that. And this is the size of page. If I change the color, it will be okay. So the page we have selected here. Now again, if I go here and we can change the page size in portrait, then click OK and maximize. Just see this page have been changed. Even all pages have been changed as per our requirement. So this is very essential to maintain our page size before starting our work. Otherwise, what will happen when we need to change our page size in later, then our all work will be broken. So what we have to do, we have to select our page size, or we have to customize our design page first before starting any work. So I'll go for Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, and we back. Then again, if you go for background from customization, so this is same as previous. Actually, they have no difference between our previous work. So this is the solid fill, then gradient fill, and we already learned about that, how we can customize that as per our requirement, right? So nothing to worry about it, or nothing to learn something in many times. And I hope you will be able to use this design tab perfectly for any kinds of work. Okay, so thank you very much. Dear learner, now we are going to learn about another important topic or option, like transitions. So what is the meaning of transition? Transition means that when you will run your slide, or when you will start presenting your slide, then how one slide will come after another slide, and which way actually. Okay, so this represented, or this will be maintained by transition options. So just like here is a slide, and suppose I want to first I want to show this slide, then I want to show this slide, suppose. Now how after that slide, if I click here to open that in full page, then if I press enter, just see directly coming in the next step. Just click arrow or enter, and it's moving, or it's changing without any effect or without anything, just randomly changing. Okay, but we can customize that, we can manipulate it by our requirement, or as per our requirement actually. So here, transition to this slide, how you want to transit this slide for the next slide, or after the previous slide. They have many options. Fade, so if you click on that fade, it will just simply come here. If you click here for preview, just see, you can see how it will come. And also after here, you can click here and enter, just see how it's coming. It's simply smoothly coming. But if we go for push, so what is the meaning of push? It will come, it will push the previous slide in top. Okay, and for push they have some other effect. From which side it will push? From bottom to top, from left, then from right, or from top. So from which side it will actually affect it. Then if we go from bottom, that means if I come here and if we start our presentation, if we enter, just see it's coming from bottom to top. So this is the way to set your transition. Same way, every slide will work same way. Then if we go for whip, just see, if we click here, from which side it will whip actually. So if I click here from top and from bottom left corner, so they have many options actually. If I click here, if you go for presentation view, and if we enter, just see from left, bottom of left, it's moving to right top corner. Okay, then split. So how it will show, just see, it will split the present presentation from middle. And also they have effect from where it will work horizontally, then horizontal out, then vertical in. Okay, you can use the option. Then reversal, just it will move systematically. Just if you come here and enter, just see it's changing in some different way. Then if we go for shape, or here random, then cover, okay, then flash, then fall cover, just like that. This looks very good. You see, enter, and it's falling. Then here droppy, okay, then here curtains, it will move like that. It's look like a little professional. Then wind, just see. Then here the many option available, also many option. okay, then you can use that option. Here the zoom in, zoom out, then also you can zoom in, it will be zoom in or out. You can change as per your requirement which presentation or which one you like. Actually, it's totally depend on you how you want to show your presentation. It's totally depend on you. Okay, so this is the way to change your transition movement from on slide to another slide. So if I go here and if I open it and enter, just see it's moving with some different manner. So in our next part we'll learn about timing, how we'll select timing and for which condition or which situation it will move. Actually, we'll give some condition with that. So thank you very much. In our previous lecture, we have provided some option or we have provided some way to transit our slide from previous to next. So now we'll work with that issue, but how we can change its timing or we can change the duration, how we can maintain it. Okay, so for that in our previous session, for that slide I have just created. You can remember that if I enter, just see it will change it like that. Now the question is how it will change. They have that option timing, so they have option sound. If you want to show sound, you can add the sound. Okay, so on click, and if we go here, just see when we're clicking it's giving us a sound. Again, let's go again. Sorry, just see we are getting a sound when we click. Okay, also you can change this click sound, then arrow or a bomb, any sound you actually like actually. So just come here. Okay, again go back. See, I can go font. Okay, so it's totally depend on you how you can mention your sound, but it's I think it's not good to use any sound in a presentation if not required actually. Okay, it's okay. Now we'll go the next option. So what is the meaning of next option? Duration. This is the another most important part, that how second or how time it will take to move from one presentation to another presentation. I mean how much it will show the transition. So they have 3.9 second. If I go for 1.9 second, and from here if we start enter, just see how quickly it's changing actually, how quickly. And if we go for only 0.9 second, and if we go for another look, then see how quickly it's changing actually. Now we'll go for our here, if we go for 6 second, and if we go here, go for slide, and it's taking huge time to move, huge time. So this is the way to change your timing, or how much time actually you need to explain or to show your presentation. Okay? And they have another option, so I will take it like for like 3. Okay, it's okay. Now on mouse click, so advanced slide movement, they have 2 options here. On mouse click, another after a certain time. Okay, just here see it's telling us move the next slide after a certain number of seconds. Just no need to do anything. This slide will change automatically after some time. If we click that option, and if I provide, suppose give some second, 15 seconds, suppose 15 seconds, and if we go here and wait for 15 seconds, and when you will start explaining, when you will work, when you will start working here, you will see that after some time it will may move automatically. If we click on our enter, just see here when we are here, after certain time, after some time, it's moving in the next. Let's see from here, if I move to that presentation, and it will immediately changing. So where immediately it's changing, it changes to next presentation automatically. Why? Because for that presentation we have provided time here for 15. Okay, so okay, so I'll give here, suppose 10, maybe it's for 10 seconds. Okay, so again I'll just come here, I'll click here, then after clicking enter, this slide are now open to us, and we are discussing on that what is sentence and what is the type of sentence, and you have to set a certain time, that within how much time you will be able to explain that topic, and the immediately next topic will come after your with your provided time. Just see, after 15 seconds automatically it's changed. We didn't do anything actually. Clear? So this is the way to use that option. Just see here, I'll not use that option, and if we do not provide any time, then it will come here automatically. Okay, so this is the way to use our timing option, and you will see a star here where we have provided animation. Just play animation, where animation will play it. Here is the option. Okay, so we have provided you will see option, the only that one slide have that animation. And if you click here apply to all, if you click apply to all, then for all slide it will work. Just if you come, and also if you want to hide, or if you do not want to use transition here, okay, if you do not want to use transition, then you can do it. Just come here, use none, and see the transition from that slide will be removed. And if you want to use another different types of transition for that on, and different types of transition for that on, you can use also, you can different types of transition. Just if we go for a presentation view, just see here, then enter, it will change, then enter, it will change, and it will come again, enter, it will change, again enter. So this is the way, actually this is the way to show our presentation, how you want to show your presentation. Just simply enter and it will change. Okay, I will skip it to back on our main position. So that was the way to use a transition, and I hope you will learn to use transition perfectly and professionally, and we'll do a professional project after completing our basic tools, and then you will learn more about things. So thank you very much. Dear learner, in our previous section we have learned about transitions, that how transition work, how we can set transition, and how we can set timing actually. But now in this session, or in this section, we will learn about animation. So what is the difference between transition and animation? Transition means how your slide will change, and animation means how after changing your slide, how the text inside on it, or the presentation, or the data, anything actually, how it reacts, or how it acts actually, or how it will be present, it's defined, or by using that animation options we can do it. Suppose they have a text. Okay, we have written a presentation here. Okay, and if I open, okay, see, if I open, they have all text have come at a time, they have no delay between them, or even they have no style actually, suddenly they have come. Okay, as soon as our slide changes, it's come with it. But if we want to manipulate it, but if we want to animate it, we can do it. Suppose they have a text. Okay, what is sentence? Now there are many options as like previous appear. You will see here how it will come, and you can click here for review, then fade, then fly in. It will come from bottom. This text will come from bottom. And even as previous fly in, they have more option from which side it will come actually. Okay, see here, here, like that. How you want to use actually. Then here like that. So there are many options available here as per your requirement. Okay, so bounce, it will bounce like that. There are many options how you want to actually show your. So they have a brush tools. I mean, when we'll start, when you start talking, it will also move with that. Okay, then font color, it will change the font color. Underline, it will underline the line. So there are many way to show your presentation or to show your data. Okay, so if you go for line color, it will give you another option. So here, how you want to show your data, you can do it from it. Suppose if I take it for plot in, okay, it's okay. This is for our first data. Then for that data, how I want to show it, like brush color. Okay, then I need to go for it for third option. Again, let's it will be fly in. Then again, suppose it will also come fly in, but our text will come all add-ons as on object, all add-ons or by paragraph. It will come paragraphically. Otherwise, we can set another option, all in ons, then by paragraphs. In this way, we can move it. Now, if we just open here for our slideshow, just see that only one is available here, because if we skip it, we provided that on to brush or color, not to move or anything actually. So if I just go here, and also if I take like something like that, and again go here, see, they have no text available here. Now simply click enter, your first topic will come. What is sentence? Then the definition of sentence will come next, then types of sentence, okay, and then your next data, again enter, again enter, again enter. See, this is the way, and enter, your page will change. So this is the way to show our animation actually, to show our animation. So this is the way to set our animation for any text, for any data, for any. Suppose if you come here, just select that one, and you can use any option actually. You can use any option as per requirement. See? So if I take that option, this is the way. For your text also, if you come here and if you open your presentation and then enter, it will change to the next page. And if we enter, our diagram will come here, or our chart will come here. Again, next, then enter, like that, and your all text will come one by one when you press enter or arrow. So in this way, we can set our animation actually. So in our next part, we'll learn about advanced animation and timing. Thank you very much. So like our previous lecture, we can use our timing option for animation actually, as per transition. When we have used transition, then we have used timing, and this is also same as that option. So suppose they have a animation, we have selected that as a 1. I mean, this is the first animation. So first of all, if I open it as previous lecture, then enter, just see how it's coming. Okay, now what we'll do actually, if you want to set timing for that, or you want to make it some delay or anything actually, so how actually it will come. Okay, so how you want that how this sentence will come actually. Now if I click here, starting post situation, so as click, if you click anywhere with your mouse or with your keyboard, it will move, or with previous. So if I click here with previous and see, if we go to our animation, it's coming automatically without clicking anything, but the next text or next our option are not coming. Then if we click enter, it's coming. If we click enter, it's coming. If we click enter, it's coming. Okay, so this is the way to make it. And here on click, if we remain it on click, and here if you click here after previous, that means it will come after this one. I mean, after one, the another one will come automatically. We have to I mean, we did not need to do anything actually. So and here the duration, it's given auto. So what happen if we take it auto, then enter, just see after coming our sentence, it's coming automatically. Now you can delay it as per your requirement. So this is auto, but here you can set timer, and here for 1 second or something, or 2 seconds, and if we check it again, then enter. See, now it's taking some time to appear. So this is the way to manage our timing option. And if you again click here, we can move it later, where we want to show our after what sentence we want to show it. Now if I just go move it later, just see it's moving to 2. I mean, after 2 it will show. Just see, we go here, then enter, and see after type of settings it's coming. So this is the way to make your timing option. And actually this is not so important or anything. You can take it as per yourself. After completing your practice, you will be able to do it. So this was the way to understand our animation section. Thank you very much.